Today, we're diving into the Samsung -1000 Swedish kronor ZA 2013 Evolution Kit, designed to breathe new life into your compatible 2012 LEDES 7500 and PDP 7000 TVs. The standout feature is its quad-core processor clocked at 1.3 GHz, promising a noticeable boost in speed and overall performance. The enhanced GPU running at 500 MHz, coupled with a 1.5 GB memory upgrade, ensures a smoother and more responsive user experience. One of the key highlights is the upgrade to Smart Interaction, introducing fresh voice and gesture controls. This adds a layer of convenience and interactivity, although it's worth noting that certain features are exclusive to the ES 7500 series. Compatibility with the 2013 Smart Hub and content further extends the device's functionality. Installing the -1000 Swedish kronor ZA is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to update your TV's firmware beforehand to ensure optimal performance. While the kit brings a breath of fresh air to the 2012 models, keep in mind that some smart interaction features won't be applicable on PDP 7000 series. In conclusion, if you own a compatible TV from 2012 and want to inject some new life and features into it, the Samsung -1000 Swedish kronor ZA 2013 Evolution Kit is a worthy investment. The processor upgrade, improved GPU, and smart interaction enhancements make it a compelling choice for those looking to extend the lifespan of their television without a complete replacement. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.